Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to send a gift card from PayPal, and now let's dive right in. Now to send a gift card from PayPal, first open up your preferred browser on your computer as I have already opened it. And after opening your preferred browser guys, on this interface at the top of the screen you will be able to find the search bar. Click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the address paypal.com/gifts. Type in the same address as I have typed it over here and hit on enter on your keyboard, and then you'll be directed to the gift page of PayPal. Over here you can see currently we are on the home interface of the PayPal gifts or the PayPal gift card, and over here you can see the cards interface available for us. Click on the cards over here and all of the cards available on PayPal for you will be over here. Now in order to proceed to send a gift card, I'll be just going with the Domino's pizza gift card for demo purpose, and click on it. And after you click on your desired card on this page, you'll land on the card interface where you'll be required to read some details of that card with your terms and conditions over here. And proceeding guys, you can choose the net amount of the gift card which you want to send. You can see I'll be just going with the $20, and you can see guys over here it says this is a gift and this is for me. If you want to redeem the gift card to your account yourself, then click on the this is for me and go through the procedure where it says add to cart. Or if you want to send it to somebody else, click on this is a gift and enter the email address of their Gmail or the PayPal account over here, which to whomever you want to send the gift card. So I'll be just entering a demo of my own email address. You can enter the person's email address to whom you want to send the gift card over here, and after that enter your name over here, whichever may it be, and after that add a personal message over here. And then you can also schedule the time on when you want to send that gift card. You can see over here the dates, and with that being done guys, after filling off this, tap on the add to cart button, and this panel in blue will appear where it says item has been added to your cart. So guys, by tapping on the add to cart button, you can see the cart button available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the cart button at the top right corner of the screen and this kind of interface will appear. So let's remove the previous gift card over here, and this is the gift card which we want to send. And after entering the person's details, email address, the message, and after scheduling it, you can see you can click on the buy now button over here. And after that you will be on this interface where you'll be required to log into your PayPal account from over here. Enter your email address or your mobile number over here, click on the next, proceed through the payment, and that gift card will be sent to them via PayPal. And with that being said guys, this is how to send a gift card from PayPal. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.